Hi guys, welcome to 200forexpips.com. So guys, I thought today to share a video with you where I can show you my recent withdrawal, and let me show you about my profit 39407, and the withdrawal is in front of you here. So if you look at here, then you can see that guys, what I am using for this profit and this type of withdrawal, I'm basically using price action, and I'm also using 200 Forex Pips Indicator. If you remember, I have highlighted many times in my videos, in my Telegram groups, everywhere to go for the coaching and go for the 200 Forex Pips Indicator because it's going to help you a lot. Okay guys, now I'm going to take you towards the trading history so that I can show you that how the things are working here. So guys, look at here, these are my today trades. I hope they must be clear to you because I'm making the video from my cell phone. So look at here, these are the trades that I'm taking, and you can see the success ratio, and they are working very fine. And you can see that I also have losing trades, and I also have the winning trades like this. So overall, it's working very perfect for me. Price action plus 200 Forex Pips Indicator, they are giving me very good results, and I'm heavily satisfied with this. And I guys mostly use the higher lot size so that I can achieve it. And my program is to double this account size in next month. So hopefully, if the markets will not be slow, then it can be doubled in no time. Moreover, guys, I have explained you many times to go for the price action coaching because there is a lot of price action knowledge which you don't know. If you don't know, check the reviews of my subscribers who have taken the coaching in the WhatsApp group, in the Telegram groups. And guys, book your coaching and go for the 200 Forex Pips Indicator. Okay guys, this was a short video, and thank you very much for watching this video.